Good morning, everyone. My name is Mahesh Krishnath Kumbar, and today we are all here to have our first introduction meeting, which is a TP activity. So, I believe all of you will participate greatly in this activity. First of all, I would like to begin with my introduction. So, my name is Mahesh Krishnath Kumbar, and currently I am pursuing my BTech Mechanical Engineering degree after completing my HSC and SSC from Army Public School Kota with 85 and 92 percentage respectively. Through all these years of college, I have participated in many activities, such as the time I went to Sangli to give a presentation, to our college hackathon, and to even national level competitions. I have led and been part of many projects. A major one which I would like to mention will be SANIS Epicycle, where we achieved an All India rank third. Other would be my mini project, which was an opening and closing mechanism for automatic gates of dams, and some smaller ones would be my science day and hackathon projects. I have served for various responsibilities through all these years, such as beginning from a class representative in first year to an organizing committee member in Science Day and Avishkar, from vice captain to captain in FE cycle team, from a coordinator to secretary in MESA, and to mechanical chief in personal development club. Through all these experiences, I could say that now I am a very proficient and effective team leader. Through all these activities, I have also managed to retain my hobby of sketching and also picked up a new one of CAD modeling. I'm looking forward to work with you as I think this will be a great opportunity to utilize my skills and experiences and also to have a great exposure towards this industry. Thank you. That was all from my side. Next, I would like to call Shraddha to give her introduction.
Thank you, Mahesh. Hello, everyone. Good morning to all of you. First of all, thank you for giving me chance to introduce myself. My name is Shraddha Pandurang Lotke. I come from Sangli district of the Maharashtra state. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech in third year electrical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Along with electrical, I'm passionate about CS and IT technologies. I'm good in C, Python, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Along with that, I have experience about sales and marketing. Currently, I'm working on a movie recommendation system project, which is based on machine learning. Also, I did projects on smart parking system and smart regulatory system using Arduino. I have done internship in e-vehicle at VCA. So, talking about my current achievement, I have selected as a campus leader at Facebook company by Campus Leader Program, and now I am in EIR, which is Entrepreneur in Residence position in Facebook. My hobbies are I like to arrange things in a proper manner. Also, I enjoy cooking in my free time. My goal is to learn and implement those things. For that, I'm looking for an opportunity where I can use my skills and technology for raise of humans and to solve real world problems. Thank you.
Thank you, Shraddha, for your introduction. Next, I would like to call Vikram for giving his introduction.
Thank you, Mahesh. So, good morning, everyone. I am Vikram Lakshman Mari from Sangli district of Maharashtra. I have done my past education, that is primary, from Alfonso School Mirrors, and my junior college from Defense Career Academy, Aurangabad. Now, presently, I am studying in Government College of Engineering, Karad, at the core branch of ENTC. After that, my hobbies are that I like cooking and also I like playing volleyball. And I have done my expertise in the games like cricket and volleyball. In both, I have represented my school and college as well as in the divisional level. Then, apart from this, my achievements are that I have consecutively cleared three times UPSC NDA. And apart from this, I have been a coordinator in the Science Day event in first year. Whereas presently, I am Chief Coordinator of ENTC branch in Personality Development Club. My aim is to join the Light Defense Services, particularly in the Indian Army. Thank you.
Thank you, Vikram. Next, I would like to call Nikita for giving her introduction.
Hello everyone, I am Nikita Jayavanta Thorat from Karad. I completed my 10th standard from SRK Lahuti Kanya Prashala Karad, and I completed my 12th standard from Sri Hanumantrao Sati Junior College of Science Satara, and currently I am pursuing BTech in second year Mechanical Engineering in Government College of Engineering Karad. My hobbies are writing articles, allocation, making shairis, poems, and I am also interested to playing Kho. And nowadays I am involved in various college activities. Like I am a secretary of Team Pratham, which is a team of Government College of Engineering Karad of SAE Tiffin, and I am also team member of Robo Club Cultural Committee and also the Personality Development Club of our college. My aim is to become the class 1 officer, but firstly I have to complete my BTech in Mechanical Engineering, and parallelly I will give the Civil Services exam. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nikita. Next, I would like to call Srirang for giving his introduction.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Sriranga Prashant Padalkar. I am second year electrical engineering student of Government College of Engineering Karad. I am from Ratnagiri. I had completed my both SSC and HSC in Ratnagiri with 92.8 and 78.15% respectively. My current CGPA is 8.84. In college, I am part of various clubs like Sinking GCK, Personality Development, and DICE Club as a coordinator. In DICE Club, I am also part of a designing team. I have recently completed the internship as campus ambassador for NEO 5.2. I had completed a couple of certification courses of reputed institutes like ISRO and IIT Madras. My recent achievements also includes rank 2836 in National Engineering Olympiad. Also, I am part of our college cricket team, which recently secured third prize in zonal cricket tournament and qualified for the interzonal cricket tournament. My hobbies are playing cricket, reading about astronomy, and graphic designing. I always like to try and learn new things. I recently started preparation for competitive exams like GATE and ESE. My aim is to work with reputed organizations like ISRO and DRDO, etc. Thank you.
Thank you, Srirang. Next, I would like to call Tushar for giving his introduction.
Thank you for giving me this chance. Hello. Good morning to one all of present here. I would like to thank you for giving this golden opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Tushar Prem Rathod and I'm born and brought up in Army. I completed my 12th from Kendra Vidyalaya and after clearing entrances, I'm currently um, I'm currently in a Government College of Engineering Karad pursuing BTech in SYIT. I now work as an intern in an academy Bangalore-based company. It's an EduVenture platform. And my current achievements in a colleges are I'm a part of a T1 Pratham who has secured a rank 2 in last year 2020. I'm also vice president of Aptitude Training Portal. I'm also interacted with so many other clubs like Alpha Geek, where I'm public relations head, and Sing GCK, where I used to take interview of alumni. And I've done a project in a science day. I was the chief coordinator of that science club project. I've done a project on auto vision space. Thanks.
Thank you, Tushar. Next, I would like to call Mrunmay for giving her introduction.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Mrinmay Solanki, and I am from Akola district in Maharashtra. There are four members in my family, including me. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in IT at Government College of Engineering, Kara. I've completed two training and internship program in Python and Python with IoT respectively. In addition, I have done few courses as a digital marketing, English communication, and MS Excel. So, my moving onwards to my strength. My strength are analytical approach, my human touch to the situation, my appreciating communication and presentation skills. I believe in being realistic. In my free time, I enjoy spending time with my friends. Sometimes I like cooking, listening to music, watching K dramas, traveling, and playing badminton. I have worked as a coordinator in Dice Club, Dice Conclave, Avishkar, Magazine Committee, and I was also a part of Science Day exhibition. Currently, I'm working as a head of poster department in House of Art, and I am also a part of core committee of Avishkar. And that's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrunmay. Next, I would like to call Arpita for giving her introduction.
Okay, let me thank you for giving me this opportunity. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Arpita Suresh Gaikwad. I'm from Ahmednagar Nagar in Maharashtra. I have done my matriculation and intermediate in Ahmednagar Nagar from Don Bosco Convent and Maharashtra Junior College respectively. Currently, I am pursuing my graduation from Government College of Engineering Karad in a stream of Electronics and Telecommunication. Moving to my hobbies, I like singing, dancing, cooking, playing basketball. I have been a part of district level player in basketball. Then my short-term goals are to be an IS officer and long-term goals are to be financially independent, uh, serve my nation and make my parents feel proud of me. In college, there are various clubs and I am a part of it. I am a coordinator in a personality development club, also a team member of defense club and also a team member of my cultural committee club. That's all of my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Arpita. Next, I would like to call Pratiksha for giving her introduction.
Hello, good morning all. Myself Pratiksha Sonabappu Labde. I am from Ahmednagar. I have completed my SSC with 96% from AES Bingar High School Bingar and my HSC with 90% from Residential Junior College Ahmednagar. Now I am pursuing my BTech in second year electrical from Government College of Engineering Karad. I am working as a OC in cultural committee in Dias Club and also in Sinking GCK. I am also working as an electrical chief in personality development group and these clubs really help me to improve my personality. And also I like to play outdoor games. I like to read the Marathi UPSC and I want to crack this exam in first attempt of my first attempt. That's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratiksha, for your introduction. At the end, I would like to call Rutuja for giving her introduction.
Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Rutuja Kadam and I come from Kolhapur. Currently, I'm in third year pursuing my BTech in the field of information technology from Government College of Engineering, Kerala. My personal interest is in the field of data science, machine learning, and development. With my interest, previously I have completed my industrial training in the field of data science, and as a part of academics for mini project, I have built a machine learning based crop prediction model. Talking about my hobbies, I enjoy reading books and I write short poems and stories in my free time. I am passionate, focused, and multitasker. And my current goal is to learn new things and apply those learnings to solve real world problems. And this can be possible only with the exposure and experience. And for the same, I'm looking forward to join your company. Thank you for giving a chance to introduce myself. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for participating in this activity. I believe this activity was very helpful to you all by seeing others' introduction and also by practicing yours. I hope we'll do much more activities like this in future. Thank you for your cooperation.
Yes.